Welcome to the video on market trends and competitive analysis. In this video, we will explore the significance of staying informed about market dynamics and competitors in driving product success. Let's start by understanding the importance of market trends and competitive analysis in product management. By staying informed about market dynamics, we can identify evolving customer needs and preferences. Competitive analysis plays a crucial role in assessing the strengths and weaknesses of our competitors. It helps us identify market gaps, differentiate our products, and develop effective strategies. Driving product success requires continuous monitoring of market dynamics, understanding customer preferences, and evaluating competitor strategies. Market research, customer feedback, and industry reports provide valuable data for informed decision-making. Now, let's illustrate the importance of market trends and competitive analysis with real-life examples and case studies. These examples will demonstrate how staying informed and conducting effective analysis can drive product success. In conclusion, staying informed about market trends and conducting effective competitive analysis enables informed decision-making and successful product development. Remember, market dynamics and competitor strategies are constantly evolving, so continuous monitoring is key.